I'm knocked out here. I'm going to talk to my new friend here, this gentleman. I was just riding along the road. I'll show you. And outside you can see the yellow is a cross cub. I don't know what that is. And I said, oh, it's similar to the Hunter. And he said, I have one. So let's meet this gentleman here. Brother, thank you for talking to me and letting me come in your house. So you have a Hunter?
Yes.
Yeah. And you've
Honda.
You show me what you've done. You show me everything.
Yeah.
Because I'm learning. Custom.
Here.
Yeah, a little carrier.
Yeah. Here.
And handle guards here.
Here.
Okay, engine protection.
Yeah.
So these LED.
Yeah.
LED, yeah, spotties here, spotlights. Oh yeah, so a frame. So it's a frame. It's an exhaust from burning.
Yeah. Not too hot.
Not too hot. And a cover here. And cover here. Just for looks, I think this one. Now that's a good idea. The cover on the exhaust here is a heat transfer. Custom seat. Yeah. So this cover here allows a rack. But the great thing, this is the best. Yeah.
A bit carry.
You have?
No.
Not yet. That's coming. This is custom. This is factory, from the factory.
No. No more. No custom.
Not custom.
Yeah.
Extra.
Yeah. No extra. I buy one already.
Oh, okay. Yep. Not sure there. So you've got protection on the. This guy's got all the mods on it. This is great. Proper colour too. Look at these steel reinforced aluminium, custom again for the passenger. Kick start, electric start. Here we go. Oh, sweet. Oh, look at the light. And he's got a Super Cub, we'll get to that. This is a 3-in-1 bag here. I've got a 3-bagger. I got a 3-bagger with all the different Hondas. I used to ride a Triumph Daytona 955i. I chickened out at 265 kilometres an hour down the straight. It had more. You don't need that over here. 150cc max over here, Vietnam. This is fantastic. Oh, look at this too. For the tools. Yeah. He's got a toolbox here. Look at that. And it's mounted well. Good steel mounts. 6mm bolts, I think they are. Guys, I think they're 6mm, but he's got 2, 4. No, it's 4-point mounted. Look, it's a key for a key. So it's key lock. Yeah. It's great. Yeah, spark her up. Give her a rev, man. Go on, Listen to this. Yeah. Cracker. Brilliant. And you've covers on here as well? Oh, he's done everything to it. What's that say? I can't see, man. Jeez, it looks good. How many kilometres? None.
7,000.
7,000 k. Look, he's got a booze holder here.
Yeah,
Drinking water, not beer. Mirrors, I don't know what they're actually like, but oh, look at this. Yeah, that's good. You need that here. Look at the spotlights. Red rim frames, rims, wire wheels as well, which is even better. Can I sit?
Yeah. Okay, you can sit. Yeah, okay.
I mean, this is the ultimate bike. This is #1 bike.
Good.
number one. This is the best you can get in these Southeast Asian countries. This is the best, in my opinion. You know, the seat feels good. Yeah, you can get carrier seats for passenger. This wind guard is actually a good idea. Maximum 110 kilometres an hour.
Yeah, maximum.
110 maximum. That's all you need. Where's the clutch? There's no clutch.
No cut.
Oh man, oh man. They have 8,000 US.
Yes.
For everything.
Yeah, everything.
8,000 US. I think he said 180 million dollars.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, that's a big spend, but this man knows it. It's just got all sorts of things on here. Little aluminium clamp solid for a hook, put your bag on here. I'm just starting to see lots of things. Is this a clock?
Yes.
Show the clock.
Yeah. Look.
Wow, it's got a little. Oh, look at this.
Yeah,
So is this this is a stabilizer bar or something? It goes in between the handlebars here. This bar.
Yeah, bar.
It
Yeah.
looks like you just tight. Oh, and there's a little clock on here, and the man's got all the toys on it. God, he's got something else here. I don't know what this is. It's maybe for his phone. For the phone.
No.
Oh, spotlight.
Yeah. Spotlight. Yeah, spotlight.
Holy hell. I mean, if I... What's this? What's this? What's this here?
Tool.
Oh, spanner, tools.
No.
No. He's got something here. There's a little box here. Rob and...
Small.
Yeah, okay, yep, tools.
Before here, big one.
Yeah, okay.
I remove here. I buy here big.
This is better.
Yeah, better. Yeah,
This is good. Yeah. This guy's got a bit of taste and style. He's customised this. Not hard to do. You just pay the money and get the bits. But the way he's tricked it up, you've done a good job, brother. Yeah. So let's have a look here. What year is your Honda Cub?
2010.
2010. We've got a 2010 Honda Cub. This is a Japan. So it's a proper cubby.
My father.
Ah.
My father.
Will he sell for me? Go on.
My father.
How about some international relationship bargaining here? Your father, yeah, lucky father. How many Ks has he got on here? I can't read. 16,000 kilometres in 14 years. Like still new. Yeah, it's new.
Yeah. My father go to around city, not too far.
Not too far.
Around
Okay.
city.
Yep.
Around city and come back here.
Yeah. I can tell that this man has a great family here. Is your son?
Yes.
Your boy?
Yeah, boy.
You know,
Yeah.
his boy's just sitting there quietly, respectfully. It's a good boy. Good boy, yeah. This is the real deal. The Honda Cub. Vietnam put the Honda Cub on the map. Historically, if you want to go and search that, as I found. Similar seat. So we'll get to the Honda Cubs on their own later. But I love it. It's great. Super Cub.
Super Cub, yeah, Super Cub.
Yeah. Let's have a look at this yellow one. Yeah. You come. So you've got a centre stand. You have side stand? Side stand? Yeah, side stand. Yeah. Rob and Pukekohe, you've got to like this, mate. You've been over here and done a bike trip. This is, I'm knocked over now. So I'm not jealous or envious. I just think good on this guy. I can feel what he feels, and oh man, come on, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Here's another same.
Yes, sir.
Now this is a newer. This is
My son, big boy.
big boy. What year? Same 2000.
Yeah.
Same. They got two of them.
Yeah, same color. Same.
Oh. Now I don't know how to describe this comes standard with these. With this, the great thing about these is this carrier. You can carry anything on here. Go anywhere. Yeah. But now look at this. The Honda Cross Cub.
Yes.
First time I've seen it. Cross Cub. In between. not Hunter, not Super Cub, not Hunter, but different.
Yeah, different.
Why? What is different? Why?
Hunter.
Yeah.
Hunter Cub go to a mountain high.
Yeah.
But here medium.
Medium. Okay. So cross in between.
Here city.
City.
Yeah.
The Hunter mountain country adventure.
Yeah, village.
This one
Medium.
50-50.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a cool bike too. Does it have the same frame? You know, the frame.
Yeah. No.
This different.
Same.
Ah.
Same frame.
So this frame here, same as the City Cub. Yeah.
Hunter different.
Hunter's different.
Hunter a little bigger.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah, stronger, different pressing. This may be a pressed frame, whereas the Hunter's fabricated frame, I think. God, look at it. Mag wheels. Same motor. Motor, same. The engine.
Yeah. 110.
Yeah.
110.
Yeah.
Yeah. 110.
But the Hunter 125?
Yes. 125.
Yeah.
cc. A little bigger.
Yeah. Yeah, metal. Good. No plastic. This will be plastic. That's plastic. What's this? That's plastic, but that's good for weight. Look at the lights. Oh, you got the cover on here? Yeah. That's because these bloody clowns around here are going to run into you. Well, lucky me. Lucky that I can see.
You can drive? You ride motorbike?
Oh yeah.
I think usually in Hoi An or...
Yeah.
I think next time you can ride motorbike here with me, go to around if you want.
Well, you know what? Hey man. I think I will get the Vietnam license.
You have?
No, I have to change.
Okay.
I have my country motorbike license,
okay.
and I have international license, but I have to get Vietnam license.
But look, you no stop. It's okay.
But maybe one time stop and then 2 or 3 million. So get the license, because with the license can have insurance.
Sure.
No license, no insurance.
You live in Hoi An?
Yeah.
Where? Cam Thanh?
Cam Chau.
Cam Chau, nearly here.
Yeah. Not far.
Yeah.
But I will get the license done in. I think from the visa agent
Visa.
can get easy for me.
Okay.
Just pay the money.
Okay. See you.
Brother. How much for this one?
3,000.
3,000 US.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just trying to quickly convert that.
75 million.
75 million.
Yes. About 70 or 75.
70 or 75.
Million.
Yeah. I'm looking at Yamaha PG1.
Yes, about
You know? 32?
30. Now 32. Yes, 32.
32. Yeah.
But Honda better.
Yeah, you know what?
Yeah, I think you
Oh,
never see the Vivo now there.
first time, everything, the best.
Yeah, yeah.
First time.
In Hoi An, only one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks very much. You made
You
my
want to-
day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now I going go to school.
Okay, I'll see you again.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. See, I've gone and forgot my shit again, my bag and everything. Okay, thanks, man.
Okay,
Yeah, cool. Okay, I'll come back and visit. Yeah, I'll just get outside and what a bonus, man.
Later you come back. Now
I'll see you another time. Yeah. We'll take a video of you riding away. We can see. Good colour too. You can reshock these things and do all sorts of things to them. You can kit the motors, spark them up. They're only bloody 8 or 9 horsepower. Look at this.
Right.
Okay. You know, it just sounds sweet, smooth. Look at me, I'm yeah, okay, see ya, yep. Hang on, I'll put my bag down now. Right, yep, see ya. We're going to do the Yamaha tonight.